Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So today I will show you how to stop Twitter email notifications by using your Android mobile. So nowadays lots of people are using this social network Twitter on their Android and iOS devices. But if you receive any follower request or other notifications, they send the email to your registered Twitter account email ID. If I get the one mail notification, it is okay. But sometimes they send the lots of emails to my personal mail ID and I did not like this process. So if you feel same thing, just follow my steps to disable this emails in permanently. So here I show you by using my Android mobile as well as my desktop also. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all I try to open my Twitter application via my Android mobile and then complete your login or sign up processes. Now in this section you can press that your profile icon and it is placed at the almost top of left side. So here you can go to settings and privacy. Then it shows lots of account related settings, but you can press notifications. And the third one. So finally I get to the option called email notifications. So just click to open it. And the final one. So here it shows lots of notification section. So if you want to receive any Twitter related updates, just read one by one. So if you like anyone, just click to enable that particular notifications. But here I does not like any notification. So I try to disable all the notifications. So how to do it? So by simply disable this email notification settings and it is placed at the almost top of right side. So once you turn off this option, you won't get any Twitter related emails in your personal mail ID. So next I will show you how to locate the same settings in desktop version. So just open the Twitter official page and then complete login or sign up processes. So finally my news feed is ready to use. So here you can press your same profile icon and it is placed at the almost top of right side and then select settings and privacy. So in left side it shows lots of account related settings, but you can choose email notifications. And the fourth one, so same way you can customize your options. If don't like anyone, simply untick it and then click to save these changes. But here I does not like any section, so I try to turn off all the notifications. So how to do it? So here you can click to enable this option, turn off, and then it shows thanks, your notification settings have been saved. So finally the overall process is completed and this is for desktop version. So this is the way you can easily disable your Twitter email notifications by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Techans, and thanks for watching.